with shawty cause she bout her business, ayy. She independent and she on a mission, ayy. Been through some shit but now it's better living, ayy. I know that she put in some time. You remind me of me. And she get flat like me, yeah she rock like me.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back and watching another video. Excuse my voice, I am a little bit under the weather right now, but I just want you guys to enjoy this video. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I sublimated on some Crocs from Hobby Lobby. Yes, I did purchase them from Hobby Lobby. If you guys want to see how I did this, just keep on watching. So this was the image that I decided to use. These were from my daughter. It was really no particular design I was going for. I just wanted to see if what I had in mind would work, and that is what I did. I just did them. No particular design, I just went on and did them. The first thing I did was measure the Crocs. I did measure the size of the image that I wanted to put on the Crocs. I did that off camera, but once I measured it, I did go ahead and proceed to print. I did mirror the image as well, of course, because I'm laying the image flat down on the Crocs. So again, I sized the image according to however big I wanted it, and then I proceeded to print with my Epson 7720. Again, this is sublimation. This is not HTV. This is not print and cut. This is sublimation. Okay, now that I have the image printed out, I printed it out. I'm going to see which one fits better on the shoe. I did do two sizes just to make sure I can get a good cover. So I'm going to cut the first one out. If you guys hear a noise, that's my heat press. I'm making these for my daughter. She loves that My Hero Academia, so it's like, why not put it on some Crocs? So let's see how this feels. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. So, let's see. I'm gonna tape this on there. Let me tape it on there with my heat tape. I feel like it's a little too big. So let me see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna do this with me. My first time. And I'm gonna put like a towel. Not a towel, but a shirt in the middle of it when I press it. Just so the shoe won't burn. And to give it, height. This heat tape ain't even sticking to this shoe. Now I feel like I should have made it smaller. Let me get a t-shirt. My heat press set. I got it on 252 for 28 seconds. So we're gonna try this together, y'all. Let's see. didn't even clamp it all the way down. You know, we put it up a little bit.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you.
Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Y'all let me know what you think. I was about to melt the doggone shoe. Alright, so now I have the second one. I taped it off camera. We're gonna see how this one comes out. I think the next time I do these, I'm gonna make the image smaller.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. With time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.
So here are the final look at the Crocs. A few imperfections on this one, but overall, I would say this came out okay. I would try to do it again, but for my first time, it's not that bad. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see from Luxe Creations. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.
Let you see a sweat. You ain't got it like